This was someone's home, and now it's just rubbish. Hi, are you Gloria? Oh my goodness.
This past year, we've seen a lot of natural disasters and feel really powerless when it comes to helping people that are in need.
It was terrifying. It was a nightmare come true. We were looking around trying to gather things up to see what we could save, and before we knew it, everything was just destroyed and gone.
The water started to rise, and it was to our waist. I mean, it came that quick. I prayed and prayed, just hoping that it would end and that we would make it. It was the most terrifying thing I've ever been through.
So much destruction. We got out of here at the last minute.
I lost everything. The house can be replaced, but our pictures can't.
My mom passed away when I was 9 years old. Her name was Amy, and these are the only memories that I had of her left.
This is of me and my siblings. It's the only one I have left of my siblings, of all of us together at one time.
That's my mom. I can't go a day without looking at this picture. I tried so hard to save it, and it's fading away.
Are you Kathy?
Dominga? Dominga?
We heard that you lost a lot of valuable items in Hurricane Harvey,
And we just wanted to give you hope.
so we're here to give you a little surprise.
Wow. Oh my goodness. It's just beautiful. Y'all made it look so pretty.
Thank you.
I thought I'd lost it all, and that means the world to me. You're awesome.
I keep my mom's picture by me everywhere I go.
It was such an honor to work on that photo for you. And I'm so happy it brings you so much joy.
It does.
I feel really blessed.
This means the world to me.
Brings a lot of hope, just to know that these can be restored, that I know I can be restored back to new, you know?
Not a baby.